YouTube Creator Collective. हाय गुड मॉर्निंग। आई एम सो टायर्ड। एक तो पिछले एक हफ्ते से मेरी स्लीप साइकिल का जो धज्जियाँ उड़ी हुई है ना, मुझे ये भी नहीं पता कि मैं कल सुबह उठ के इतनी जल्दी फ़्लाइट कैसे पकड़ने वाली हूँ। और आज इतना सारा काम है, टू बी फ्रैंक। आई हैव टू एडिट द लॉन्ग वीडियो दैट हैज़ टू गो लाइव ऑन संडे। आई हैव टू फिनिश अप माई लॉग बुक, कल उसका सबमिशन है। And then I also have to do my packing and everything. I have to shoot some videos, some content has to be scheduled. Oh my god, it's going to be a hectic day.
Just to add a little bit of context, if you're not following my shorts, I was invited for an event which is YouTube Creator Collective to host it in Lucknow, which means I have to travel to Lucknow, get ready, go to the event, host it, and come back completely alone. And let me tell you, Lucknow is a very new city for me. I've not been to Lucknow a lot of times, and I was honestly very scared. But I honestly did not want to let this opportunity go because I knew it was huge. And from here begin my lessons for you on adulting. So adulting for me has begun ever since I've started living away from home, and my lesson number 1 is embracing solitude. Solitude is the complete opposite of loneliness. It's when you're happy being alone. Embracing solitude has taught me to be fearless, independent, not care about what people think about me, but instead care about what life throws at me and how can I tackle it. I remember when I was telling a couple of my friends that I'm going to Lucknow for this event, and they asked me, who's accompanying you? I told them I'm going all alone, and they were genuinely so shocked. Just traveling alone and going to a completely new city takes so much guts for a lot of people that honestly most people never even attempt it throughout their lives. And I feel that living alone in hostel and trying to embrace solitude and trying to do things on my own has taught me these soft skills so easily.
Hi guys, so it's almost 5:20 in the morning और मैं बस रेडी हो चुकी हूँ। मेरी फ़्लाइट है 8 बजे की। आई एम जस्ट सो नर्वस, सो एक्साइटेड एट द सेम टाइम। मुझे कुछ भी समझ नहीं आ रहा है, बट आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल टू द यूनिवर्स। और हम चलते हैं अब। आई एम जस्ट बुकिंग अ कैब। आई एम ऑलमोस्ट रेडी, लेट्स गो। प्लीज़ प्रे फॉर मी एंड आई एम होपिंग फॉर द बेस्ट। हर बार जब मैं पैकिंग करती हूँ और मैं निकलती हूँ, मुझे इतनी एनजाइटी होती है कहीं मैं कुछ भूल तो नहीं रही हूँ, कहीं कुछ छोड़ तो नहीं दिया। बट येस, वी आर टेकिंग दिस बैग। ये काफ़ी हल्का है, एंड दिस बैग एंड आर ट्राईपॉड। वैसे मेरे सारे बैग्स ऑलमोस्ट काफ़ी खाली जा रहे हैं, बट मुझे ये कंपार्टमेंटलाइजेशन करना ज़रूरी था क्योंकि इसमें लैपटॉप, कैमरा वगैरह है और इसमें मेरे कपड़े एंड ऑल हैं, तो ये मैं चेक इन में भेज दूँगी। एंड दिस इज़ माई कैबिन बैग।
Loving the hustle. That is lesson number 2, which keeps me grounded and grateful each day. These days, as soon as we start studying or even working for that matter, we almost start cribbing about our work or studies 1 week or 1 month into it. But honestly, I heard this in a video that if you're able to study or work at this point, be grateful in every moment of it, because where you are today, someone in this world is definitely dying to be there, because this hustle indicates mehnat, indicates growth, indicates the fact that every day you're moving a few steps ahead of where you were yesterday.
Quick room tour.
I love this.
Hi guys, so I'm finally in Lucknow. I have checked into my room. It's beautiful and I have to get a bunch of things done. First of all, I have to take a shower, wash my hair because बहुत ही ख़राब हो चुकी है इनकी हालत. And then I'm thinking of grabbing some breakfast और फिर हम तैयार होना start करेंगे. I've also called for a hairstylist. She'll be coming around 12ish. अभी बज रहे हैं around 10, साढ़े 10. तो yes, let's get this done. हम बहुत time crunch पे है. Let's go.
I started off my prep with first of all washing my hair, and for my big day today I'm using this hair care range by Plum. It's infused with the power of coconut milk and peptides to give you those soft, shiny, luscious looking locks. Plus it's 100% vegan with no parabens or harmful chemicals whatsoever, which is a big win for me. I always make sure to dilute my shampoo in some water before using it. This range has been clinically proven to improve the softness of hair by not twice, not thrice, but 22 times. Yes, you heard that right. Post hair wash, I use this Plum Coconut and Squalene Nutrishine Serum. Love how my hair is looking and smells and feels. Oh my god, I'm sorted with my hair. And to get your hands on this amazing hair care range by Plum, do not forget to check out the links in the description. It's also available on Amazon and Nykaa and on plumgoodness.com. Also, do not forget to use my code Mithali10 to get an extra discount on their website and app. Time to give you lesson number 3, which is to nourish my inner child. And I cannot stress enough when I say this, and I've always said this, that please do keep some of your hobbies while you grow up, when you grow up, to be the escape path for you when you're bored, when you're not happy in life, and when you just want to chill out. You need to have 2-3 hobbies to fall back on.
So I've reached the venue. I'm so excited. I've met Craft and Aditi and we're just chilling with the YouTube team. अभी finally event start होने वाला है. I've also got my photographer, so we're gonna have fun.
These hobbies not only help you nourish your inner child and revive yourself in this very hectic hustle, but also gives you the validation that your identity in your life is not restricted to just one job, one college, one degree, etc. Because honestly, you never know when can life take a U-turn. While I was hosting events for my college and even in my school, anchoring and having fun, I never knew that I might end up hosting a full-blown event in a room of 101 people for YouTube. And I have a small story of my own to explain this. So I attended YouTube Creator Collective in Delhi last year as a guest, which was hosted by 2 big creators, and I had this wild thought that day that one day I'll also host this event.
For example, I get a 3 way I have orange inside and blue outside.
And cut to 6 months into it, I am actually hosting that event.
Can we do that? Yes? So yeah, session 1 complete हो गया and now
So the highlight is, the more bizarre, different, wild your dreams are, the more happier and fulfilled you'll feel once you see them being accomplished.
I create news videos, daily news. Yes, I'm a journalist basically.
Who has the most unique name of their channel? YouTube Creator Collective.
तो बहुत सारी होस्टिंग, पिक्चर्स, वीडियोस कराने के बाद, just as I started to feel tired, I realized that, oh my god, I have no right to feel tired, because this is exactly what I wanted and manifested, and this is exactly what I got. All I can and I have to be is grateful, thank the universe, and be extremely proud of myself.
Hello everybody. I am so tired. ये अगले दिन सुबह है. मैं कल शाम को तो कुछ खास vlog भी नहीं कर पाई. I just came back. I was so tired. I went out for dinner and I crashed to sleep. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा थक गई थी. But Touchwood event बहुत अच्छा हुआ and I'm so grateful to God, to everybody, to YouTube of course that they called me to the event, and बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. I met so many new people, so many creators, so many things I learned in this particular event. So I mean 10 on 10. आज आई एम मीटिंग अनदर क्रिएटर जिसके लिए भी मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. आई थिंक तुम लोगों ने शॉर्ट्स पर ऑलरेडी देख लिया होगा, बट मैं रिवील नहीं कर रही हूँ अभी. हम साथ में जा रहे हैं एंड आई एम गोइंग टू पैक एवरीथिंग, क्योंकि मुझे निकलना है. मेरी फ़्लाइट है आज 3:30 बजे, तो ऑलमोस्ट 1 बजे मुझे निकलना होगा. अभी 9-ish बज रहे हैं. तो जस्ट आई एम कंप्लीटिंग माई पैकिंग और फिर हम जाएंगे अपना सारा सामान बांध के क्रिएटर से मिलने. एंड यस, ऐसी कुछ थी हमारी लखनऊ की ट्रिप. अच्छी थी, मज़ा आया. मैं बहुत मुस्कुरा रही हूँ कि मैं लखनऊ में हूँ. Also, I forgot to show you, but this is a goodie bag that I received from YouTube. इस वाले में मेरा नाम भी लिखा है, like my channel's name, which is Nidali this side. Goodie bag के अंदर we have a lot of things. First of all, we have this neck pillow sort of while we travel, उसके लिए. Then we have a beautiful tumbler. Tumbler भी बहुत अच्छा है and it has of course YouTube written on it. Then we have ये, which is actually a light जो हम अपने background में setup कर सकते हैं. It's like a neon light sort of, जो मैं अपने किसी अगले short video में settle करके दिखाऊंगी कि ये मेरे कमरे में कैसा लग रहा है. And then I have one more special thing. Actually two more. एक तो ये जो हमने वहीं पे बनाया था, ये मैंने ही बनाया है slime. तो हम सब जो बना रहे थे हम वो लेके आ रहे थे. And then I have this. ये भी मुझे YouTube ने दिया है. So now this is such a beautiful frame that they've made for me. I love it. Oh my god, wow, this is just beautiful. So yes, ये सभी मैं अभी पैक करी थी तो मुझे याद आया तो I just showed you guys.
While packing my bags to go back to Delhi, of course, I was packing a lot of memories and a lot of beautiful moments that happened to me. But along with that, I was packing this one feeling. The feeling that I can achieve whatever I want. I just need to keep working. Which brings me to the last lesson of this video. That no matter how beautifully social media might portray it to you, but adulting is difficult, adulting is struggle, and adulting is tiring. It changes everything, your relations, your friends, your career, your entire life in some cases. But one thing that it should not change is your feeling to be happy and your feeling to keep going no matter what happens in life.
Okay, so I'm ready. So we are checking out.
And this journey is invariably filled with moments when you'll feel low, when you'll feel you're literally worth nothing. It has happened to me and it is bound to happen with everyone. But that does not and should not take away the fighter attitude from you, my friend. Materialistic things can be taken away from you at any moment in life. But your feelings, your thoughts, and the way you look at life, nobody can snatch it from you.
And we are back home. बहुत ज़्यादा अडल्टिंग हो गई भाई. दोनों ने सेम कलर के कपड़े पहने हैं. थैंक यू फॉर द फूड वी ईट टुडे.
I know you're going to say that मिताली बस हो गया यार इस हफ्ते का ज्ञान, बहुत philosophical बातें हो गई. But just one last lesson that I want to share with you is that just as we tell ourselves, our minds, each time we're going through a bad phase, that don't let this particular phase affect you a lot and this too shall pass. Whenever you're going through a good phase too, this too will pass. The crux of the story being that don't let anything get to your head, be it good or bad. Because Instagram की इतनी भसड़ होने के बाद ना मैंने सिर्फ एक चीज़ सीखी है, that every materialistic thing that you're working hard for today will go away one day. Everything you love, every person you love, but what will stay is you and your attitude and how did you embrace your situations. Okay, bye. That's it from my side. See you next Sunday, 11 a.m.